what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello everyone, hello. Is there one and only the DJ? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe. Oh. Today's topic, my ogbonge people, now about one guy, about Tatalicious again. Oh, Tatalicious Ivegbete, Tatalicious don't enter market. Tatalicious don't do another one again. Oh, my ogbonge people. Oh. As in our boys, I don't understand what they play for on side again. I don't understand on again, like seriously. Like the thing they surprise me. We be say Kevio happen. Una know wetin Tatalicious do Kevi. Not be so una no know. Una come see say they say Tatalicious. Na him one Asian guy see they call that they come see put her for video call. Una no know say she dey purposely do this the way they do. If they purposely do am, because I don't know whether I want call her, whether na she or na he again, me I don't know for her. Una no know say she dey purposely dey do this the way she dey do. But una will still go, una will go dey meet am. Una will go dey meet am because una wan whether una wan popular or I no understand. Okay, see one Igbo guy now, come still go meet am again now. You think say maybe he no go show you for video before? He must show you. He must show you say make we see you say another of our mumu brother doesn't come meet her again. Oh. He must show you. So no matter how you go say maybe you too smart or you want to do say that you can clever pass the rest. No, he must show you. He must show you for video. Maybe we see you. Maybe we see another mumu doesn't come again. Oh, you know. Okay, when this guy did there, he dey do like say in the shy. You don't know Tatalicious, now make you go meet am. Because if you know Tatalicious, I'm not sure say you for even branch, that area. You don't know Tatalicious, now cause am. He reach there finish now. He want to do say in the shy. You don't want show yourself for video. Like seriously, not be Tatalicious to the talk. He must show you for video. Make the whole world see another mumu Nigeria does still come again. He must show you. No matter how you go hide yourself, Kevin that time, Kevin hide the face, me no see him. He see make sure say, he see him. He see make sure say everybody the whole world see Kevin. So now so they do am. He dey disgraceful now. Once the bad boy guy go meet him, he see do am the same thing. He disgrace that one. He even say they put una wetin dey come out for una John Thomas. He said they put am for his shrine. Upon all, una still go meet am again. This boy wey come go meet am, I come your shock talize dey pass. Fine guy like you, bros. Wetin be your problem? Wetin be your problem? Wetin you want from Tatalicious? Wetin you want? Wetin make you now ready go meet Tatalicious now? Wetin Tatalicious wan give you now? Me I no understand. Tatalicious no be say una no know am say this woman, this man, he know wetin he dey do. Not be say una no know. You can still carry your body go meet Tatalicious again. Tatalicious say, my husband, they call you your husband. He say, when you come kiss am, the whole world see you. You really carry your mumu face when you read the kiss am. Tatalicious even talk and say you get wife. He say you get wife and children. Like seriously? Wait oh, that woman wey marry this mugre of a man. Like you not see man they get be waiting because this mumu not deserve you. You're not supposed to be your husband at all. You're not supposed. Because the thing they surprise me. Like seriously. As in, wetin una want? As in, wetin una want from Tatalicious? Even Tatalicious even talk and say this guy not be Aduro guy. Maybe we not look and say na Aduro. He say na passport dey with him. He can't even bring the passport to say make the whole world see him. And really na passport dey with the guy. I can't shock to realize I was like, what's gonna be this boy problem? Not be saying a document you define. The public disgrace when they give you yesterday, and maybe you don't happy now, you don't belly full. If you want play, more than list the facts, man they play someone at the listing because
my spiritual parents. Can I go on? A big shout out to my spiritual mother, Reverend Funke Felix Adejumo. Thank you, Mama. Your anointing is taking me places. me shout out to my spiritual parents. Ah, sit down, please.
See the way they command
And
them.
a big shout out to the greatest king ever. The
Just charge up to charge this.
What is the name of the king of Benin? Eba. Oba. The Oba. A big shout out to Oba. I have to bow. Oba is great. Oba. I bow.
I
Oba.
bet more than now, if they call Oba, not be saying I believe boy go meet him. Igbo guy, na go meet him so. Because me no know what to concern our Oba now. Hey.
The king of the Benin kingdom. The Edo people. Oba. I bow.
See?
Thank you. Thank you for strengthening my shrine.
See?
I still remember when I spoke with them.
I do not know say anytime where this Tatalicious carry Nigeria person, you get the way the thing they do am for body. You go they happy say yes, he don't see cash one Nigeria. You go just they happy, you know. I don't know what they make am happy like that. Now be what they do so.
Shall not miss it. You shall be rare with your mates. You shall overtake your sinners. Thank you. Give me. Give me the phone.
See the
No, I won't
mumu
plug
guy.
it. I'll plug it upstairs.
See the guy.
You cannot go.
You guess if now your brother make you look and well.
Chami, she behave.
Just plug it.
Chami, look up one eye. Look at the noise.
One guy write say you say he tell the guy say you are a disgrace to men. And really you are a disgrace, this guy.
Behave. Let me remove my and look for better heels. And
Charge the phone, please. Even if you charge
you are gonna just.
Is it one charge the phone men take all
They
the
don't have a
woman?
new daddy. Let me take off my baby.
I want to talk to my Zimbabwean bro.
Your in-laws. Okay.
Give me phone.
No, I cannot give you phone.
I will talk to them.
No, you cannot talk. I'll come and talk to them. What do you want to say with them?
My sisters, tell her to charge my phone. I need my phone to be charged.
Tell your people to come
You
to
see,
church.
you see the mumu?
They were telling you what to do.
I'm stranded.
You're stranded.
And I'm with the queen. How can I be stranded when I'm with the queen? Why is it acting like this? You see?
No, you have to give me
I
love.
have new clothes. It's giving me love.
Tell your people I'm spoiling you.
It's spoiling me. Oh.
You came like
Na lie, oh, not being there oh. Not being there again oh. Na pretend though if they way make they break me wrong.
my shrine.
Shiran Mukwagadia.
Uh-huh.
Shiran Mukwagadia. You know what you mean?
I don't
Shiran,
even
you
care.
here.
But you are here.
Shiran.
You are representing your people.
The president which
Nigeria.
You see am?
Nigeria.
I'm coming, my love. Let me put you.
From today, I'm a fake Nigerian.
You see am?
Disowned you already.
We don't already disown you. God will bless you, Tatalicious. We don't disown you. We don't. You na Zimbabwe you be. Now you just go meet Tatalicious, I beg, because you are a disgrace to me, really. Upon everything we Tatalicious don't do our Nigerians, you can still carry your body, still go meet Tatalicious. This guy, this Igbo guy, they okay. My people, this guy, they okay. Ah, wow.
Men in Come, baby. Men in Zimbabwe don't fuck transgender. You think why am I looking for other nationals? Men in Zimbabwe, they are straightforward. They fuck pussy.
You see, huh?
They want pussy.
Okay.
You want pussy fake.
He say many Zimbabwe they know they do for nyash. He said that they do for throat. You see, huh? Now what Nigerians come they do for back now. That ain't me now. Ew. Oh, wow, I have to fast forward this place because
They in this house, Swedish men come. No, I'm not charging it there.
I'm not touching.
No, I'm not charging it there. If you want it there, then I give you the phone. I charge it with my own conditions. Queen. Hey, you testify. She's the queen. Yeah.
he gave you one more and wash. He said you can't even tell the guy. Oh, he said when the guy can't come out.
I love you so much, sweetheart.
He said when the guy can't come out that night, the boy can't beg.
Look for my snuff. No puta.
See the way he dog the Russian.
I'm telling too much. Wait. Baby, come if you want to run now. Hey, come, Baba. If he wants to go, he goes. And if I didn't want him, I would send him go. Kelvin, I sent him packing. I
Yeah.
didn't like Kelvin. I told Kelvin to go. This one I like
No,
him. And he likes me. So please,
No,
let
they-
us enjoy each other. Stop it. Hey, I love this song, baby. Baby, Mama starts to post you about. Let me call them.
Now,
Let me
wow.
call them.
My people, una know wetin dey even dey tire me be say. Wetin be this boy problem now? Him get passport, he dey okay. Wetin be your problem? Wetin you want from Tatalicious? Wetin you want from Tatalicious wey be say Tatalicious just dey disgrace our Nigerian men una really dey fall for their hand. You no come see better makus handle again wey be say na Tatalicious wey be man like you. E even get where Tatalicious be say if you make am vex, him go show you the man in him. Abemo na me advise this Igbo guy, if you no get family, make shame dey high. It's not a very, very shameful something. Very, very shameful. Like seriously. The disgrace when you give your family so they not go forgive you. My people, I beg. More than me advise am this one pass Joromi. Like seriously, this one pass Joromi. Hey? Now wow, not be say you get front now. I don't know what this guy want do. Me no know. My people. This one not pass Joromi. What did they want from this man? I mean no know. And then they make sure say put all of them for video. Go make sure say disgrace them. Kevin no expect say you go come at that time. Kevin no expect. Even one of our Asian brother can still go call am once at a time. One of you back can still go once to go full himself. You can't show that one for video as that one they call am. Maybe that make that one not come again. For this one now. After this one, you see another one will still go. Mumu way pass now, you know they. Mumu way pass some Nigeria guys. I beg you, this guy, you are really a disgrace, really. So thank you, my darling people. Muna help me like advise those our Nigerians. Make them know they go they meet Tatalicious again. If they disgrace now, if they give una fully. If you carry Nigeria person, go they happy. You go they happy, my people. So I do this topic which today Mona share this video. Share this video for me so that the video can go viral. Thank you. Bye.